Can I save undercooked rice?
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen conundrum. Can you save undercooked rice? It's a situation that has baffled many a home chef, but don't worry, we've got the answers for you.
What is undercooked rice?
Undercooked rice is rice that hasn't been cooked long enough for it to become soft and fluffy. It tends to be hard, chewy, and less enjoyable to eat. It's a common issue that can happen if the cooking time or water-to-rice ratio isn't quite right.
Can you save undercooked rice?
Yes, you certainly can. If you've undercooked your rice, it's not a lost cause. It's possible to salvage it and turn it into the perfect side dish for your meal.
How do you save undercooked rice?
Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. First, check the rice. If it's just a bit crunchy, it can be saved. 2. Add a bit more water, about 1/2 cup should do. 3. Cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. 4. Check the rice again. If it's still undercooked, repeat the process until it's done. Remember, patience is key. It's better to add a small amount of water and check regularly than to add too much and end up with mushy rice.
What if you can't save the rice?
In some cases, you might not be able to salvage the undercooked rice using the method above, particularly if the rice is very undercooked. In such scenarios, you can consider using the undercooked rice in recipes that require further cooking, such as fried rice or rice pudding. So there you have it. Undercooked rice isn't a kitchen disaster. With a little bit of know-how and patience, you can turn your undercooked rice into a perfectly cooked dish. Remember, cooking is a learning process, and mistakes are just opportunities to learn something new. Happy cooking, everyone!